So this is Kenny and I's first real crit race. We're at the Van Brisbeen 1.7 mile loop around this park.
I think we're ready to race. What's up? Let's get the pre-race photo. Ooh, go. Is this our pre-race dance? Go.
Watch your breathing.
Go, Kenny! Let's go, Ken! Did you see that? Uh-oh. 10 seconds, Ken! I didn't see Kenny. Kenny, where's Kenny? There's Kenny.
Go, Paul!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job, Ken! Come on, you're looking good. They're about 15. Come on, Kenny! Good job.
5 laps. 5 laps. 5 to go.
You go over there.
5 laps to go. 5 to go. 5 laps. 5 laps to go. 5 laps.
5 more, Ken! Woo!
5 laps. 5. Keep the pressure high, dude. 4 to go. Justin!
Come on, Ken! Come on! 3 to go. 3 laps to go. Come on, Kenny! Come on, Ken! You gotta push it 3 laps! They're not that far ahead!
Did you see any of them?
Huh?
Did you see them? I didn't realize that.
Come on, Ken! Come on, Ken! Good job, good job! Oh my God, they're in the front together.
I know, I saw Kenny.
Together, they're in the front. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Come on, the last lap, Ken! Push it! All you have, all you have! Woo! Good job, guys! Good job, Ken! I don't know what place you got in now.
Say 0 now.
I keep thinking I see the Kenny.
You want to get me changing? So, any post-race synopsis?
Post-race synopsis?
First race was a good one, a lot tougher than we had expected considering Kenny and I anticipated making a break with 3 laps to go and winning it.
But in the end, I came in third to last. But I feel good with that.
Last my ass.
No, it was
There
third
were
to
so
last.
many people that got dropped.
Okay, people got dropped. But it was okay, I pulled at the front for a second and got the taste of what victory might feel like one day. That's what I want, man.
One day soon.
One day very soon.